Hi beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeannie if you don't know, and this is a beauty channel. I do a lot of unboxings, Ipsy, BoxyCharm, makeup looks, makeup hauls, all of those beauty goodies we do over here. I also do giveaways a lot on my channel, and right now I have a really amazing giveaway going on. It's got so many high-end products, both makeup and skincare, and all you have to do is just be subscribed to the channel, be part of my beauty YouTube family, and I would absolutely love to have you. And then also leave me a comment on the giveaway video, because that is how the winners are chosen, through a comment picking app. So make sure that if you want your entry, go in the description box below, find where it says enter my giveaway, click on that video, check out all of the goodies that are up for grabs, and then make sure you comment and that you are subscribed, and you will have your entry into that giveaway. Giveaways are a huge part of my channel over here. I am so excited, you guys, for today's video. So right now I have most of my makeup for today done. The only things that I have not done yet are my eyeliner and my mascara. And because I do my eyeliner before I do my mascara. And so today I actually have a new, I drop something in every single video, you guys. I have a brand new eyeliner to try. This was sent to me in PR to review, and it is by the company called IMethod. They have an Amazon store, and they have sent me things in the past that I have reviewed here on the channel that I was actually really pleasantly surprised by. One was an eyebrow stamp, and you guys, I was so nervous to even try this on the channel because I had never really used one of those before, and I kind of thought they were like a gimmicky product, but I was like shocked at how good it worked. And if you missed that video and you want to check it out, it'll be linked in the description box below. And then after that, they sent me their eyebrow and eyelash serum, and I have been using that. So I did a video when I first got it, and I showed, you know, my lashes and my brows with no product on them before use. And now I am almost done. I would say the product is probably done. So I will be doing the updated video to that to show the progress after the product was finished. And so that will be coming soon. But today we're going to talk about their new eyeliner stamp and pen. So it does say that on Amazon it goes for $20, but right now it is on sale for $12.99, and it is Amazon Prime eligible, meaning you get that free shipping and you get that quick shipping. Of course, I will have this product linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. And now I will be honest, because of the shape of my eye, because I have deep set hooded eyes, sometimes these products are not really easy for me to use. Like when I do my winged liner, I only line from like a little bit, not even like the middle of the lid, a little bit less than that. Will I line it and then just barely take that wing out, because it's really easy for somebody with my eye shape to have that eyeliner just completely take over the look. So these are not always my favorite products, and I just want to preface by saying if this does not work out, it is not necessarily the fault of the product. It may be the shape of my eyes, and yeah, but we're going to try it out. I'm excited. There actually has been a few of these that I did really like, so we will definitely check this out. And here on the side of the package, this is the package that it comes in, and then you do get... So you get a dual-ended liquid liner. One of them has a more precise, and then the other one is a bit thicker. So I think that is cool that they are giving you the option to have the thicker line or the thinner line. And then of course it comes with the wing, and it also is, it tells you which side is for the right and which side is for the left. And then on the packaging itself, it tells you the steps. So it's telling you to prime and powder, to stamp, and then line. So my eye makeup is completely done outside of my liner and mascara. So we're going to do what it says to do and see how it works out. So I'm going to start with my left hand side, and I will say that for me that is definitely a bigger wing than what I typically wear on my eyes, if I'm going to wear one at all. But we're not going to judge a book by its cover. We're just going to try the product out and hope for the best. So I'm not even sure exactly. We're just going to go for it. Okay, so that is the stamp, and it actually looks really, really nice. It was quite easy to do. It's definitely bigger than what I typically do, and now let's try and line. And I am going to use the smaller side of the liner, just because, like I had mentioned, the shape of my eyes. Okay. So I'm just going to start the line where I typically would. Okay. Yeah, it's coming out just fine. For a second, I thought it wasn't coming out. Don't mind my blotch on my hands. I was doing cream contour today. Okay, so I'm just going to start the line where I typically would. And just bring it right down to, and connect it to the wing. Wow, you guys, that was actually really, really easy. I'm kind of surprised by that. I swear, these products, I always feel like, I'm not going to lie. So when they reach out to me, I kind of feel like some of their products are like those gimmicky products. But then when I actually try them, I'm always pleasantly surprised. Like every freaking time. They've got some new products that I'm hoping to try out, like some cream blushes and stuff now too, which is pretty exciting. So yeah, that is on that side. I mean, that came out, I'm really happy with that. Now, the trick is to see if I can get one on the other side to match. So let's hope for the best. You guys, seriously, I am really, really surprised at how nice that came out and how easy it was. Okay. So now I'm going to do the right side and hope that I'm able to place this in a way that they're going to match. This is the hard part. But I'm just going to, again, just go for it. Okay, I can already tell that I made that one higher. It's okay, I might be able to work with it. So again, if this does not turn out perfect, this is not because of the product. The product was actually really easy to use. It was more of, I did not place that second wing stamp perfectly. I'm almost thinking I should maybe just wash that off and try it again really quick. I'm just gonna go with it. Let me see. Yeah, hold on a second, guys. I'm going to do this right. So let's see if I can just wipe that wing off. Okay, so it actually came off very, very easily. So I appreciate that. That wing is off. And just taking the brush that I used for my shadow earlier, I'm not even putting any additional product on it. Just kind of blending some shadow back into that corner like that. Okay, I'm gonna try this again with the stamp. Damn it, I feel like I did it again. Okay, so getting them to match is definitely the hardest part with this product. But I'm sorry, you guys, but I'm going to try this one more time. I want it to be perfect because I'm actually going somewhere after this. Meeting my sister and my mom for a dinner. Man. Okay. Let me try and dry it a little bit. We need to add a little bit of shadow back here. Sorry guys, but I just want this to be right. And I want to see what it takes to get it right. So just adding a little bit of shadow back. And we're going to try this again. Last time. Third time's a charm, right? I want to make sure that area is dry because I was using a wet wipe. Okay, so I think I was going too high with it. I need to... Okay, that one is definitely more even to the other one. Okay, so now we add the line. Connecting it to the wing. Okay, so it's not bad. I feel like this side looks a little bit thicker, and I'm just kind of trying to even it out. But, I mean, honestly, they match pretty good. I mean, what do you guys think? Okay, I'm going to put my mascara on. I'm going to use my Rhodile Lash Lift mascara that I have been absolutely loving since I got. And then that will be my finished look for today. And I am so excited to talk to you guys about the lash serum. From this brand. I am so in love with that mascara. It just really, really, really lifts. And just do the other eye. So honestly, my honest opinion on this product is that it is really, really nice. And I think that if it's not a component that you're used to using and kind of like a new way to do eyeliner for yourself, then it might take a little bit of practice just to get the placement down. but that the product itself worked really, really nicely. And I'll be interested to see how it wears, like if it smudges, because that's a pretty thick wing. So I really hope that it's like a smudge-proof wear, because if not, then that would be like a mess. But another thing that I appreciated is that when I wanted it to come off with a wet wipe, it came off pretty easily. I mean, I didn't have to rub or really try to get it off. It just kind of came right off. So okay, so that is the look. Thank you so much for hanging out. Again, if you want to check out this product or any of the other IMethod products, I will have this product linked in the description box below, and you can always look up IMethod on Amazon and check out all of the products that they have. And they're coming out with some new stuff that I am hoping they will send my way, like the cream blush and some other products that I have my eye on. So hopefully, and hey, until next time, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful. I'll see you soon. Bye.